Every day we take safety very seriously. We have a safety message on our weekly call that kind of keep that in our forefront. We measure the statistics and have that posted for everybody to see. And it's not only important for us to make sure our employees, come to work on a daily basis, go home safe every day, but also for our customers to make sure that they're using the product safely and they're managing the product safely and with the environment and making sure everything's disposed of properly. So it's a big part of our operation. Well, the ISO program, we became registered in 2005, and it really kind of became a game changer for us, where we were committed to it, the management was committed to the quality program, and it trickles down through everything you do. So not only is it just for our products, but in just how we operate, and it ensures that our customers, when they see that you're registered, they know what you are making is made the same way, the same time, to a certain pedigree, and they don't have to worry about it.